Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ruchika and this is a video where I'll be talking about my top 5 favorite lipsticks. So personally I really love watching these kind of videos, so I thought I should do my take on it. So yeah, this is what the video is about. Let's just start without much blabbering. So the first one of my favorites, but it is a red lipstick. So people who know me, they know that I am not a big fan of red lipsticks, but this is absolutely a very nice one. It is in the shade 05. They have not mentioned any name and it's from Revlon. I will definitely try to put all the links in the description and the price will be mentioned somewhere here or here. This is not a matte lipstick at all. This is very creamy, and I'm not a big fan of creamy lipsticks. So what I do to my creamy lipsticks to make it matte is I use my bronzer, blusher or my talcum powder and just spread it evenly on my lips, and it just gives a matte finish. And if you have seen any of my previous videos, you know that I always do that. And I'm not a big fan of creamy lipsticks at all. I hate them, if that's the word. I don't like them at all. So yeah, this was the first lipstick. Now the second lipstick that I have is the Lakme Absolute Matte Melt Liquid Lip Color in the shade 05 Red Smoke. So both of them are in the shade 05 and I absolutely love this one. And I guess in my first video I was wearing this. Now the third lipstick I'm going to talk about is a pink shade, and I don't know, I never liked pink lipsticks, but this one is definitely such a nice color. It's absolutely matte, as they say. This is from Lakme Absolute Matte, by the way, and this is such a nice color, such a nice lipstick. Lipstick that I'm going to talk about is from Color Bar. Its shade is in 020 Frisky Pink, and this is how the swatch looks like. Yeah, so this is another creamy lipstick, by the way. But you know what, I buy creamy lipsticks although I hate them, and then I just buy them because I know I can mattify it. Duh. I mean, I used to use this when our school used to end, and I used to just pop this lipstick and go out. I not only use this as a lipstick but as my eyeshadow, my blush, everything. I used to pop it all over my face and just go out of the school. Now talking a little bit about what I'm wearing right now. I'm wearing none of these, by the way. So this is my actual favorite lipstick. This is a fake makeup, of course. This is from Huda Beauty, fake Huda Beauty again. So I got this for, I guess, 100 on Amazon, and it has no shade mentioned, but it is a brown lipstick. It's completely matte, and I know it's fake makeup, but it's always gonna be my favorite. But I have not listed this product in this, this 5 lipsticks at all. My fifth lipstick is this one from Lakme Absolute, the Lip Pout Matte. So the reason why I didn't mention this lipstick is because there are a lot of problems when you apply fake makeup, and I don't want anyone to go through any kind of problem. Basically my skin is completely okay with any kind of makeup because I don't know, it's not that sensitive, and it's okay to have sensitive skin. It's okay to be it's okay to have allergies from these kind of products. But I love this lipstick and I can't help it, and I'm wearing it right now. Let me talk about the fifth lipstick. So this is the Lakme Absolute Lip Pout Matte, and it's actually matte, and this is much better than all of these. I mean, the formulation, it's not that creamy, not that matte, and absolutely perfect. So this was my take on my top 5 favorite lipsticks. I'm also gonna do a really budget friendly video on this. I mean, the same topic, that is, you know, my top 5 under this price. And I'm having I mean, a lot of ideas about this, and I'm not gonna share it right now, of course. You have to stay tuned for everything. And don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.